For our funded and focused feature, you know that moment when you feel your business should be doing better, but something keeps slipping through the cracks? That's the silent drain that holds founders back. A profit clarity session forces you to stop guessing and finally face the truth about your numbers. It's raw, it's revealing, and yes, sometimes it stirs fear, frustration, or resistance, but that's exactly where the breakthrough lives. When you see what's really happening in your cash flow, you don't just understand your business differently. You start making decisions that put you back in control, focused, and funded.